वअतसिमू बिहब्लिल्लाहि जमीअन वला तफर्रकू वज़्कुरू निअमतल्लाहि अलैकुम इज़ कुंतुम अअदाअन फ़अल्लफ़ बैन क़ुलूबिकुम फ़अस्बहतुम बिनिअमतिही इख़्वानन वकुंतुम अला शफ़ा हुफ़रतिन मिनन्नारि फ़अन्क़ज़कुम मिन्हा कज़ालिक युबय्यिनुल्लाहु लकुम आयातिही लअल्लकुम तहतदून।
और तुम सब मिलकर अल्लाह की रस्सी को मजबूती से थाम लो और तफर्रका ना डालो, और अपने ऊपर अल्लाह की नेमत को याद करो। जब तुम आपस में दुश्मन थे तो अल्लाह ने तुम्हारे दिलों में उल्फत डाल दी, फिर तुम अल्लाह की नेमत से भाई भाई हो गए और तुम आग के गड्ढे के किनारे पर थे, बस अल्लाह ने तुम्हें उससे बचा लिया। इसी तरह अल्लाह तुम्हारे लिए अपनी आयात वाज़े फरमाता है ताकि तुम हिदायत पाओ।
वअतसिमू बिहब्लिल्लाहि जमीअन वला तफर्रकू। Now the second level. Now join these bricks together and you hold fast to the rope of Allah, to the cable of Allah, to the cord of Allah. All of you together, wala tafarraqu, and don't be disunited. Now these bricks should be joined together and the cement substance should be very strong so that the wall is strong, the rampart is strong. Wazkuru ni'matallahi alaykum, and just remember and recall Allah's blessing upon you is kuntum a'daan, when you were enemies to each other. Fa'allafa baina qulubikum, Allah united your hearts. Fasbahtum bi ni'matihi ikhwana, and you became, due to His blessings, due to His grace, you became brothers. Wa kuntum ala shafa hufratin minan nar, and you were at the very brink of a pit of fire. Fanqadhakum minha, you were going to fall in that pit of fire, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved you from that. Kazalika yubayyinullahu lakum ayatihi la'allakum tahtadun. In this way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes His ayat clear for you so that you are guided, so that you can get the guidance. Now recall, first step was building of strong character of Muslims based on taqwa and practice of Islam. Second, to join them together, to cement them together, to forge them together into one party, into one ummah, into one group. Now what that ummah do? That is the third item on agenda.